and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. In today's video, I wanted to just share with you our holiday outside light and patio tour. Every year, we just love just lighting up the house and making it nice and beautiful. And I often see a lot of, neighbors and different people drive by and just look at the lights. And I just think, especially this year, bringing a little bit of joy to everyone is always needed.
It's all around us. then you know it's Christmas. When the snow starts to fall, then you know it's Christmas for the children above all. Then you know it's Christmas, 'cause Santa's on his way. We'll stand under the mistletoe, and then it's Christmas Day. The joyful times we witness forever stay.
I love to just decorate the especially the pathway up to the walk to the front door. I just love making that really festive and full of lights and welcoming, and just it's kind of setting the tone of what what you're going to expect inside. And I just think it makes it very special with all of the lights and the special ornaments and just all of the magic.
Soon Rudolph hears his whistle and gathers all his friends. When Santa and his missus wraps the final gift, you know it's time for Christmas for each and every one. Then you know it's Christmas when the snow starts to fall. And then you know it's Christmas for the children above all. And then you know it's Christmas 'cause Santa's on his way. We'll stand under the mistletoe, and then it's Christmas Day.
Something's tugging at my sleeve. I do believe it's Christmas. It's cold outside, but I'm warm within, 'cause Christmas time is here. Playing in the snow, a merry game they play, chasing each other to and fro, laughing all the way. Oh, what a jolly time to have the whole family here for a few days of love and grace. But when Christmas has gone, it'll be another year. When Christmas has gone, it actually was on a Christmas day you came my way. That once upon a long ago, the Bethlehem star must have shown the way that led you to me. Now from our love and a little help from
this morning, I looked outside my window where children lighting up the Christmas tree, and the snow is falling. It reminds me of the good times, those winters we would spend just you and me. It's been such a long time, but tomorrow's Christmas Day, and I am on my way. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Ooh. I can't wait to hold you. We'll be sitting by the fire and watch our favorite movies on TV.
I hope that you found some joy in watching this, and just the joy of the lights, and just the whole season is just such an amazing time. And I know there's so much, just so much heartache and stress and fear and just so overwhelming times right now. But I hope that this gave you a little bit of joy and a little bit of holiday sense and just holiday magic. And I hope you enjoyed it. Please stay tuned. We have lots of great content coming with organization and decorating and how-tos. I've got a video coming up soon talking about just some great tips to decorate and make it look fabulous, but maybe a little bit more on a budget. So stay tuned. I hope you have a great day. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.